Hello guys, welcome back to a new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your Wi-Fi password on your laptop. So just please follow my steps one by one until we can do this. At the beginning we need to go and click over here on this button, and then we go to the settings here, and if you couldn't find the settings, just go and search for settings on this option, and here is the settings, just click on it. Whenever we're here, you can see this home, system, Bluetooth device, network, internet, personalization, and so on and so forth. So in my case, I'll go and choose network and internet. And then we scroll down here and choose advanced network settings. And then you must find an option here that says more network adaptation. And if you couldn't find this, just follow my steps. We click over here once again, and we go to control panel, and then we go to network and sharing center, and then we click on change adapter settings. And whenever we here, we click on Wi-Fi, and then right click and choose status. And then from here, we click wireless properties, and then we go to security here, and then we click on show characters. And that's how we can find our internet connection or our Wi-Fi connection password on laptop. So at the end, that was all today's video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.